Problem number 12. Mary is a cement dealer having business for more than 5 years. Past journal entries in her books for the period of March 2018, March 1st, cement bags bought on credit from SEBI. So, inward account is purchase account and SEBI account. I am going to explain this problem under two methods. One is traditional method, another one is modern method, modern approach method. So first one is by using golden rules, that is traditional method. So next method is that is the modern approach method, very easiest method. So involved accounts purchase and SEBI. Purchase account and SEBI account. Purchase comes under nominal, SEBI personal, expenses, so debited. SEBI your comes under personal account, giver, so giver creditor. So purchase account debited, SEBI account credited. Purchase and SEBI under modern approach. So purchase expenses increase, debited. So SEBI is creditors, our creditors, liabilities increase. So liability increase means creditor. So this is the rule for modern classification of account. So if asset increase, debited. If expenses increase, debited. Expenses or loss increase, debited. And if asset decrease, expenses decrease, credited. So liabilities. If liabilities, capital and revenue increase means credited. If liabilities and capital and revenue decrease means debited. So purchase account debited, SEBI account credited. So this one is by using golden rules. So both case will get result will be same only. So this one is purchase account debited and SEBI account credited, and here also the purchase account debited and SEBI account credited. So purchase account debited 20,000, SEBI account 20,000. Goods purchased on credit. So next transaction. Electricity charges paid through net banking. Electricity charges and banking. So bank involved and EB. Involved account is EB and bank. EB expenses, electric charges expenses increase means debited. Bank, it is asset bank value decrease, bank balance will be decrease, so credited. So expense increase means debit and asset decrease means credited. So under traditional method, electricity bill nominal account, it is expenses debited, and bank is personal, giver credited. So EB bill account debit and bank account credited. EB account debit and bank account credit. Electric charges account debited to bank account 500. Returned goods bought from SEBI. So involved account goods returned, purchase return, and SEBI, purchase return and SEBI. So inward account is purchase return and SEBI. So purchase return, it should be treated as income, as expenses reduced. So initially we made expenses to bought that goods. Now we are returned that goods, no? So that expense will be reduced. So that it will be treated as income. So income increase. Income increase means credited. So revenue increase means credited. Then CB. CB is our creditors. His liabilities. So liability creditors value will be decrease. So decrease, liability decrease, which means debited. Liabilities decrease means debited. Next. So purchase return account debited and CB account credited. Next one. So under traditional method, CB account personal and nominal. Purchase return nominal. So personal receiver, he is receiver and debit the receiver. And gain, nominal account, under nominal account it is gain because expense reduced. So creditor. So CB account debitor, purchase return account credit. So CB account debitor to purchase return 5,000, purchase return creditor. 4th March, cement bags taken for personal use. How much? 1,000 rupees. The inward account is owner and bag, cement bag, stock, goods. So this is involved personal, owner, Mary. So involved to proprietor. Becomes drawings account. If goods taken for personal use, goods given as charity, goods given as samples, goods used for office use. For these 4 cases, the credit will be purchase only. To purchase, so drawings account, personal, if goods taken for personal use of owner, drawings account. So it is involved to personal only with proprietor. So drawings account debit to purchase and goods given as charity account debited to purchase account and goods given as samples. Sales promotion account debited. It is one kind of advertisement. So sales promotion account debit to purchase. If goods used for office use, so entry will be office expenses account debited to purchase account. In these 4 cases, we have to credit purchase account. So drawings account debited to purchase account. So drawings, it is related to owner, personal. So drawings account debited to purchase account. Because of this transaction, the value will be reduced. Purchase value will be reduced. So purchase account credited. Advertisement expenses paid, it is 2,000. Involved account is advertisement and paid means cash paid. So advertisement expenses, it is expenses and expenses increase means debited. Expenses increase means debited. Next, cash involved. Cash account is asset account. Asset decrease. So cash will be reduced, no? So asset decrease, credited. So expenses account debited, advertisement expenses account debited, cash account credited. Under traditional method, advertisement expenses nominal account, it is expenses and debit. Expenses should be debited. Debit all expenses as per nominal rule. And cash, it comes under L account, goes out. Cash goes out. It is credited. So cash account credited and expenses account debited. So advertisement account debited and to cash account 2,000. 6th March, goods sold to Mano. rupees 20,000. So credit sales. Involved account is sales and mono. Sales and mono. It comes under traditional. It comes under nominal and it is revenue for us. So credit all income. And mono is personal. Debit the receiver. He is the receiver. Debit. So sales account credited. Mono account debited. Mono account debited to sales account. So under modern method. So involved account sales and mono. Sales is revenue. Revenue increase. Revenue increase means credited. Revenue increase means credited. And next one is mono. Mono is our debtors. That is assets. Asset increase. Debtors value will be increase. So asset increase means asset increase debited. So mono account debited. Sales account credited. Mono account debited to sales account 20,000. Goods returned by mono 5,000. So it is sales return. So involved account is sales return and mono. Sales return and mono. So under traditional method. So sales return nominal account. It is expenses as it is reduced income. So expenses should be treated as expenses. So debit all expenses. So sales return account debited and mono is personal, a giver. So credited. So sales return account debited to mono account. So sales return account debited to mono account 5,000. And modern approach, sales return expenses increase, so debited. Expenses increase debited. And mono is debt. Our debtors asset decrease. So debtors value will be decrease. So credit. So asset decrease credited. 8th March payment received from mono through NEFT. So involved bank and mono. So involved account bank and mono. Under traditional bank personal, a receiver. So debit the receiver. Mono also personal, a giver creditor. So debit the bank account and credit mono account. So under modern approach, bank asset. So bank balance will be increase. So debited. Mono is debtors. So asset. So debtors value will be decrease. So credit. If asset increase means debit. If asset decrease means credit. So mono account debited. Bank account debited. Mono account credited. Bank account debited to mono account. Bank account debited to mono account. Amount. So credit sales, we made credit sales 20,000. So he returned goods on March 7th 5,000. So subtract 5,000 from 20,000. We have to receive 15,000. So 15,000 amount is 15,000. So sales 20,000 minus 5,000. We have to get 15,000. So we have received bank account debited 15,000 to mono account 15,000. So received from mono through NEFT.